So in this video, we're looking at example 4, which is looking at the slope as a rate of change. The word problem says you've started driving at 10 a.m. with 2,500 miles on the odometer. When you stop to get gas, it is 3 p.m. and the odometer reading is 2,810 miles. And we want to find the average speed in miles per hour while we were driving. To find the slope as a rate of change, we first need to decide what variables we're going to use. I'm going to use x as the hours that we've been driving. And I'm going to use the variable y to represent the miles driven. So my difference of the y's over difference of the x's is going to be the difference in the miles driven divided by the difference in the hours driven. So my m, the slope, is going to be equal to 2,810 minus 2,500. That's my ending mileage on the odometer minus my starting mileage on the odometer. And then my difference in the x's is a little trickier to figure out because we're dealing with AM versus PM. So if I started driving at 10 a.m., then 10 to 11 is 1 hour. Then 11 to 12 is another hour. So we have 2 hours before noon. And then we kept driving until 3 p.m. So that's another 3 hours. So our total hours driven is going to be 5 hours. So I've got 5 hours in when I finished, and when I started driving, that was 0 hours driven. So now we can use our calculator to determine the difference in the y's over the difference in the x's. So in the graphing calculator, I'm going to do my numerator first, 2,810 minus 2,500, and that's a difference of 310 miles. Then I divide that by the difference in the hours. 5 minus 0 is 5. And then again, in the calculator, we can do that division. So 310 divided by 5 is 62. So that 62 represents our difference in the y's, which is the miles, over difference in the hours, which we were driving, and so the units are miles per hour. So our average speed is 62 miles per hour.